I'm Anja Ozendowski, 32 years old. I'm an interactive designer. So my job title is interactive designer, also called multimedia designer or digital designer. Basically, I'm designing and building applications for the web or anything that plays on digital screens. It could also be a flash movie running in a shopping mall where I'm currently working. It's an advertising agency and we are producing online advertisements, websites, flash applications, games. My job is to take a concept or to come up with a concept, design it and build it and animate it and pass it on to the actual developer, the guy or girl who programs it and scripts it and does the back end of that project. So it's also really important to be a team player. I'm responsible for the visual side of things, for how the product looks and operates in the end. If we have a job that requires video editing, audio editing, we use Premiere, After Effects, and then of course I mainly use Photoshop and Illustrator and Flash. I do love my job and I'm crazy about the internet, which is a great advantage working as an interactive designer because most of the applications or things you produce are meant to run on the internet. So I think that's where I want to stay. So when I was younger, my dream job was a costume and stage designer, and I changed my mind slightly. I did a course in graphic design and then got offered this really well-paying apprenticeship in IT, and so I took that offer and I worked for 3 years and decided to study at university multimedia and IT to combine the technical side of things and the creative side of things. I'm sure every university will offer a design course or multimedia course. And I know that courses like this are offered at TAFE. You don't have to work at an advertising agency. You could work in the gaming industry, at online music. You also could work at, for example, the ABC broadcaster. Yeah, I do believe it's a job that will be in demand for a long time at least. Everything's moving into getting traditional media onto the web. It's a great position to be in. So I think it's so important to do work experience, to get in touch with agencies, with the creative directors or art directors. It's always good to know someone. I think the most important thing is showing a great portfolio. The job depends very much on the deadlines you are given. The deadlines tend to be very tight in this industry. So you basically stay and work until the job is done and you need to deliver on time. That's a must. It's not necessary that you're a master of art. You need to bring your ideas across either verbally or in a visual way. So that's what you mainly need to make people understand what you're on about. So it's not necessary that you can draw. It helps if you can do it. I take my creativity, my ideas from anything. It can be everyday life, exhibitions, films, traveling, meeting other people, looking at other people's work, at posters that are out in the street or magazines. In the next 5 years, I still see myself in this role. Of course, I'd like to advance to a more senior role. I think my aim is to become a digital art director. What I really do like about my job is being given a task, let's say a problem that I need to solve, and then see the finished product built. That's very rewarding.